flashlight, now! Jake, honey, wake up! Why are you scratching like that? You're going to tear your skin!
Oh no, oh man. Lisa, look at his eyes. They're almost swollen shut. Jake, buddy, can you hear me? Look at Dad.
Dad, my throat feels itchy, like I swallowed a fuzzy sweater, and my skin is burning. Make it stop.
Wait, is it the berries he found earlier near the creek? He said they looked like candy. I told him not to eat them.
Berries? Jake, honey, did you eat the red ones or the blue ones? Oh, Mark, his face is getting redder by the second.
It's an adverse reaction to something. Lisa, don't panic, but grab the first aid kit. I'm gonna check his breathing right now.
What is an adverse reaction? A happy surprise. B, a harmful result from food or medicine. C, a type of campfire. I have it, but Mark, wait, there's no cell service. I have 0 bars. The phones are totally useless out here.
He's starting to wheeze, Lisa. Listen to that. We can't wait for a signal. Lisa, get the allergy medicine out of the side pocket. I'll start packing the emergency gear.
I've got the map and the bear bell. What do we do, Dad? Tell me what to do.
June, grab the emergency whistle and the lantern. We're hiking to the ranger station right now. No stopping.
I'm the navigator. Follow the blue markers on the trees. I'll blow the whistle every 30 seconds so nobody gets lost in the dark.
His legs are shaking, Mark. He's so weak, he can barely stay upright. Jake, try to keep your head up, buddy. Look at the stars.
I've got him. He's light as a feather. Lisa, you stay glued to June. Watch for the trail signs. It's a steep incline from here.
What does incline mean? A, a flat road. B, a slope or a hill going up. C, a deep hole. Mark, wait! Stop! The trail is disappearing under these dead leaves. We can't lose the path now.
Look for the blue paint. It's on the trunks. June, sweep the light left. If we miss the turn, we're lost in the valley for hours.
I see it. It's over the big mossy rock. But, oh, wow, it's so steep, Dad. Can you really carry him all the way up that?
I have to. There isn't another choice. Jake, hey, buddy, keep talking to me. What's the name of your favorite superhero?
It's Batman. Because he has a cool car and a belt. Dad, I'm really sleepy.
No napping, Jake. Absolutely no napping. Stay away from Mom. Mark, his breathing is getting louder. It sounds like a whistle. We need to move faster.
I'm moving. June, blow the whistle again, as loud as you can.
Help! Is anyone out there? We have an emergency. Please!
Wait! Lisa! I see a light near the parking lot clearing! Ranger! Over here! Ranger! We need help!
I heard the whistle! I'm coming! What's going on? Who's hurt?
Our son! He's having a severe reaction to something. He's struggling to breathe and his whole face is swelling.
He needs an evacuation, sir. We're miles from the hospital, and he's getting worse.
What does evacuation mean? A, to go on a picnic. B, to remove someone from danger to a safe place. C, to go for a swim.
Base, this is Miller. I have a pediatric respiratory emergency at the North Trailhead, requesting immediate transport. Level 1 priority.
Look at me, Jake. Look at Dad's eyes. Big breaths. The Ranger's gonna help. You're doing so good, buddy.
His airway is narrowing. I can hear the stridor from here. Do you have an EpiPen?
We only have liquid medicine in the bag. We didn't know. We didn't even know he had allergies.
Is it anaphylaxis? Is that what's happening to him?
What is anaphylaxis? A, a life-threatening allergic reaction. B, a bug bite. C, a type of tree.
It looks like it. I'm going to administer an epinephrine auto-injector. Hold his leg steady, Dad.
I've got him. He won't move. Go ahead. Just save him.
1, 2, 3. Click. Done. Good job, Jake. You're a champ.
Ouch! Hey, wait, hey, I can breathe. The fuzzy sweater, it's gone. I can swallow.
Thank God. Oh, thank God. Mark, look, the redness on his neck. It's fading already. It's working.
Phew. Oh man, I am seriously shaken up. Look at my hands. They're still vibrating.
Dad said he is shaken up. That means he was really scared or shocked by the emergency. Honestly, me too.
The ambulance is pulling in now. See the lights? They'll take him to the ER to make sure he stays stable.
To be stable means your health isn't changing or getting worse. In a hospital, that is the most beautiful word you can hear.
Let's get him on the stretcher. Carefully now. He's had a big night.
What is a stretcher? A bed used to carry patients. B, a pair of hiking boots. C, a tent pole. Are you coming, Mark? There's room for one more.
I'll follow right behind in the truck with June. We'll meet you there in 20 minutes. Go. Drive fast.
Dad, you were like a real-life superhero carrying Jake through the woods like that.
Well, I had a pretty great navigator helping me find the way. Let's get to the hospital.
The doctor said the IV fluids will help flush out the reaction. He's finally falling asleep, and it's a normal sleep this time.
How is he? Any updates from the nurse?
The doctor says he's going to be just fine. We just have to carry an EpiPen everywhere we go from now on.
Can we have a no berries rule for the rest of our lives? Like, even on muffins?
I think that's a very, very fair rule, June. No berries. Not even close.
Dad, did we win? Did we win the race against the woods?
We sure did, buddy. You're going to be back on your feet in no time.
Mark used a great idiom. Back on one's feet means to be healthy again after an illness. And trust me, he'll be running around by tomorrow.
The nurse says we can head home in a few hours. I've already called the campsite. We're definitely canceling our second night.
Good call. I think we've had enough nature to last us a whole year.
Can we go home and watch a movie instead? Maybe one with no trees? Like a desert movie?
That sounds like a perfect plan, Jake. A desert movie it is.
Look, his heart is beating totally normally now. No more code red.
What a week. Mark, I think we need a vacation from our vacation. My feet still hurt.
I agree. From now on, our camping will be in the backyard, exactly 10 feet from the back door.
I'm hungry. Can I have pancakes? Huge ones, but no berries.
Pancakes it is. Extra syrup, zero fruit. That's the new family law.
All right, class, let's see how you did. It's time for the vocabulary recap. Adverse reaction. B. A harmful result from food or medicine. That's what those creek berries did to Jake's system. Incline. B. A slope or hill going up. Carrying a 7-year-old up a mountain at midnight. That's a serious incline. Evacuation. B. Moving from a dangerous place to a safe one. We had to get Jake out of that tent and to the ranger. Anaphylaxis. A. A severe, life-threatening allergic reaction. This is why we're never leaving home without an EpiPen again. Stretcher. A bed used to carry patients. The paramedics used this to safely slide Jake into the ambulance.
And don't forget our idioms. We used shaken up when Dad's hands were trembling because he was so worried. And back on one's feet. After a few days of rest, Jake is finally back on his feet. Now it's your turn. Practice your English in the comments. Finish this sentence. The last time I was out of the woods was when... Thanks for watching the Whitmore family. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!